Hi guys, welcome to my channel Shubhra2, and today I'm gonna show you that how to make a simple remote tester at home on breadboard using T-Shop 1738. So friends, this project will help you to check any AC, TV or other IR remote at home easily. And friends, for this project you will need some simple components as like a breadboard, the main part and the main component for this project required the T-Shop 1738 IR receiver, a 9-volt battery connector, a 9-volt battery, 10K resistor, 220 ohm resistor, the 7805 voltage regulator IC, a BC557 transistor, a 3 volt any color of LED, some breadboard wires, and for this you can also use the male-to-male jumper wires for the breadboard, or you can use the single hookup wires which look like this. And at last you will need any remote to test this circuit. So friends, let's start to make it. So friends, for making this project you will have to first connect the 3-pin 7805 voltage regulator on breadboard, something like this. And then you will have to fix the T-Shop 1738 IR receiver on the breadboard, which will looks like this. And then you have to take a BC557 transistor and you have to fix it on this breadboard. And friends, remember the all three components which are used here, as you can see in this video, will be connected in one line of a breadboard. You can see the line. The three components are fixed in a line, not in other line. And friends, remember the round portion of the receiver will be on your front side and the plain side will be on the back. You can see it. And what about the BC557? The round portion on be the back and the plain will be on the front. And now you will have to take a little piece of jumper wire, or you can use any single hookup wire, and then you have to fix it with the emitter point, with the collector point of the BC557, and then you will have to connect it with the upper line of this breadboard. So it will looks like this. and then you will have to take another piece of jumper wire or single hookup wire, and then you will have to fix it with the middle point of the T-SOP 1738 and with any other point or any other positive or negative line on the breadboard. So it will looks like this, and then take the third piece of a single hookup wire and place it on the middle leg or the middle terminal of the T-SOP 1738, and the third point of the voltage regulator, which is 7805, included for this project. And next you will have to take another piece. You can use any large piece of single hookup wire or you can use any jumper wire. So friends, then you have to fix it with the middle point of the 7805, and then the other leg of this wire will be connected to the same line at the down of the breadboard. So the whole project will looks like this, but it's not complete. So friends, now you have to take another wire, and friends, you can use any jumper or single hookup wire as you like, and then fix it with the first point of the 7805, and the other point of this wire will be connected to the first line. So it will looks like this, here and here. So now it's time to fix the resistance. So friends, first you have to take the 10K resistor and you have to fix the 10K resistor with the third point of the IR receiver and with the base point of this transistor. So it will looks like this, and then you have to fix the LED, which is 3 volt included for this project. So the long leg is the positive terminal for this LED, and the small leg or the small terminal is the negative terminal for this LED. You will have to connect the LED something like this, that the positive terminal of this LED will be connected to the emitter point of this transistor, and the negative terminal will be connected to any other place on the breadboard as you like. And then you have to fix the 220 ohm resistor. You will have to fix it with the negative terminal of this LED and with the negative line which is given below on the breadboard. So friends, the last and final component is left, and it's a battery connector. You will have to take a 9 volt battery connector and you will have to fix it with the positive line on this breadboard as like this, and the positive wire should be the red wire of this connector, and the other wire means the black wire which is the minus or the negative terminal of the 9-volt battery cap, will be connected to the negative line of this breadboard. So our circuit is ready, and now it's time to use it or check it. So now for check this circuit, you will have to fix a 9-volt battery with the connector. When you connect it, then the LED will flash. And here is it, it's lightning. You can see it's very bright, but it's still lightning. And then you have to take any remote and you have to press any button, and then you can notice when you press any button of this remote, the remote light will be flashing. And whenever if your remote is well, as like me, so the LED will be flashing too, as like this. You can see that when the remote is working, I'm controlling the remote, and then this project LED will be flashing. So thanks for watching this video, friends, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and of course if you have not subscribed to my channel, so hurry up, just press the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel, and you will get all of the notifications from my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.